X-ray 1, ready to check. Roger that.
On our segment today for Military Collectors TV, as promised, I'm going to do quite a few of these segments on my restored WC53 Carryall. It's a 1942. You've watched it along the way over the past 8 years of restoration, but I want to talk to all the folks out there who may have one, who may not understand some of the parts and the difficulty of restoring one of these Hummers. One of the things that I want to talk about is the rear end, the tailgate. So many of these were rusted out, okay? You had the upper, trying to find all the hardware and even finding a tailgate like this. And I know there's one guy down in Brunswick, Georgia, a good friend of mine, Frank Uner, and he sells a lot of parts. And he's known on eBay as Flathead. Frank really loves these Dodge vehicles, just like John Bisel up in Minnesota, and we've gotten a lot of parts from John along the way as well. But Frank usually will come up with some of these out there that are fairly restorable. Okay, now the lower tailgate, you can see this one's already had some repair done to it, and my good friend Lindsay Orr did all of that in order to straighten it out, because so many of them over the years after they were surplused got banged up, beat up, you name it. The upper portion of the glass up here those are really hard because a lot of them were all rusted out. Okay, one of the things to find here is the hardware. Okay, these things right here are exceptionally hard to find. These the door support, you just really can't do it because they were all basically rusted out and somebody had taken them off. Again, all the tailgate hardware and all that stuff, you can see this is all the original. Actually, I left it on there. This is the original canvas that covered the chain, and it's one of those kind of things that I just left on there ready to rip it off. Now, you'll notice that I did a little something different in the floor here. This is all hard rock maple. Now, Lindsay Orr down in Florida, when he did the body restoration of this, had a guy that was a cabinet maker, and they came in here, and I wanted the seamless floor, and so we put that in there, and you know, it's really up to you. I'm not after a concours restored museum piece. I want something that I can drive, that I can display, I can share with people, not put on a trailer somewhere and have to tote it around. Or I'm not after blue ribbons. That doesn't bother me, whether anybody likes this or not. I do. But it'd be a vehicle that anybody would be proud to own. Now, this thing had a 3-seat configuration, and so as you quickly, we'll go around the other one in another segment here, but I want to show you just how difficult it is to find all of these parts to put these seats back just the way they were. Many of these vehicles are sitting out in the field somewhere, a lot of them in the Southwest, some of them in Colorado. It's hard to find these seat frames and put them back in these vehicles. And so we'll talk about that in another segment right here on Military Collectors TV.
X-ray 1, ready to check. Roger that.